Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
It is so sunny today.
Yes, the sky is very blue.
Look at the mountain.
It looks beautiful today.
We should go out.
But we need food first.
What do we need?
We need milk.
Anything else?
We need eggs too.
Do we have bread?
No, we need bread.
Let's walk to the shop.
Is the shop open?
Yes, it is open now.
I will get my bag.
Where is your hat?
It is on the table.
Don't forget the list.
I have it here.
Great, let's go.
The sun feels hot.
Wear some sunscreen.
Good idea.
Look at the penguins.
They are so cute.
Can we see them later?
Yes, after the shop.
Perfect.
Let's move fast.
Is the market far?
No, it is close.
I see the sign.
Which one?
The big red one.
That is the one.
Do they have milk?
They always have milk.
Fresh eggs too?
Yes, very fresh.
I want white bread.
I prefer brown bread.
Let's get both.
Okay, sounds good.
The shop is busy.
It is a nice day.
Everyone is outside.
I love the sun.
Grab a basket.
I have one.
Milk is over there.
Got it.
Now the eggs.
Be very careful.
And the bread?
Right behind you.
We are done.
Let's go home.
Wow, no clouds today.
Perfect for a picnic.
The flowers are blooming.
They are pink and white.
I am hungry.
Me too.
What is in the kitchen?
Not much.
Do we have milk?
No, we are out.
How about eggs?
We need eggs.
And bread?
We need bread too.
Let's go to the market.
The market in Osaka?
Yes, Kuroman Market.
I love that place.
It is very busy.
But the food is fresh.
Let's take the bike.
Good, it's sunny.
Is it far?
No, 10 minutes.
Wait, where are my keys?
Check your pocket.
Found them.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's buy bread.
And milk and eggs.
The sun is warm.
It feels like summer.
Look at the castle.
It is very tall.
Should we buy fruit?
Just the basics first.
Milk is here.
Get the cold one.
Do you see eggs?
Yes, in the corner.
Get 1 dozen.
Okay, I have them.
Now for the bread.
Fresh from the oven.
It smells so good.
I am so hungry.
Let's pay now.
Where is the line?
It is short.
Great news.
Did you pay?
Yes, let's go.
Back to the park?
Yes, under the trees.
The weather is perfect.
I agree.
Enjoy the sun.
And the food.
Life is good.
Yes, it is.
What a bright day.
Spain is always sunny.
I want to cook.
What will you make?
Maybe some French toast.
We need ingredients.
Do we have milk?
No, the bottle is empty.
Do we have eggs?
Only one left.
We need more eggs.
And fresh bread?
Yes, definitely bread.
The market is nearby.
The Central Market?
Yes, it is beautiful.
I like the tiles.
They are very old.
Let's walk there.
Is it too hot?
No, it feels nice.
Wear your sunglasses.
Okay, I have them.
Should we buy juice?
Just the basics first.
Milk, eggs, and bread?
Exactly.
Let's go now.
I am ready.
See you outside.
The sky is orange.
Those are the trees.
Smells like citrus.
It is very fresh.
Here is the door.
It is so big.
Find the milk first.
It is in back.
I see the eggs.
Are they local?
Yes, from a farm.
Buy 6 of them.
Where is the bakery?
Follow the smell.
That bread looks warm.
Let's take 2 loaves.
Is that all?
Yes, we are done.
The sun is higher.
It is getting hot.
Let's find some shade.
Under that tree?
Yes, that is better.
I love Valencia.
The weather is amazing.
Every single day.
Let's go home.
Time for breakfast.
G'day. It's warm today.
A real Queensland summer.
The sun is strong.
Eat breakfast outside?
We have a problem.
What is it?
The fridge is empty.
No milk for coffee?
No milk.
Any eggs?
None left.
We need bread too.
Let's hit the shops.
To the local deli?
Yes, let's walk.
Grab your hat?
And my water bottle.
It's important to drink.
Is the shop far?
Just down the road.
I see a magpie.
Be careful.
It's a nice walk.
The trees are green.
I'm getting hungry.
Bread, eggs, milk.
Don't forget them.
I won't.
Let's hurry up.
Right behind you.
The shop is cool.
Air conditioning is great.
Grab the full cream milk.
Here it is.
Look for the eggs.
Free range, please.
Found them.
What about the bread?
Fresh sourdough.
Yes, that's perfect.
We have it all.
Let's pay quickly.
The sun is brighter.
It is a beauty.
Ready to walk back?
Yes, let's go.
I'm thirsty now.
Drink your water.
Almost home.
I can see it.
Open the door.
It is locked.
Where are your keys?
In my bag.
Got them.
Now let's eat.
Sunny breakfast time.
The best time.
Look at the sun.
It hits the tiles.
Lisbon is so bright.
Perfect for a walk.
We need to shop.
For what?
We need some milk.
And some eggs?
Yes, for the cake.
Do we have bread?
No, we need bread.
To the shop.
Is it uphill?
Everything is uphill.
I like the exercise.
The view is great.
Can you see bridge?
Yes, it is red.
Don't forget the list.
Milk, eggs, bread.
Simple and easy.
Is the shop small?
Yes, but very good.
I have my wallet.
I have the bag.
The tram is coming.
Let's just walk.
More sun for us.
I love this weather.
Me too. Let's go.
The street is steep.
Take your time.
The shop is here.
I see the milk.
Is it fresh milk?
Yes, it is.
Now find the eggs.
They are in back.
Get a dozen.
They are very small.
Where is the bread?
By the window.
It looks very crusty.
That is perfect.
How much is it?
€5 total.
That is very cheap.
Yes, it is. Let's walk back down. That is easier.
The river is blue.
Like the sky.
I feel happy today.
The sun helps.
Let's make the cake.
And eat the bread.
I am so ready.
Let's go home.